Here we go. Late night, Monday night. It's your favorite wheel collectors. Here's what we decided. Why not do J case? We did L, which was cars and donuts. We did K, which was modern classics. We're going to do J, which is race day. We're going to go LKJ. But before we do that, just going to review July 4th, 2 cars and donuts. 2 different winners for Matchbox Sweet Rides. 2 different winners on Redliners. 3 different winners on Team D Transport case. 2 Modern Classics cases. 2 Drag Strip cases. 2 Race Day sets. Again, one's going to go to a subscriber, and one's going to go to someone who's commenting. Here we go. J case. So, this is right before donuts. This is right before modern. This set was actually super hard to find around here. I don't know about you guys, but I couldn't really find it on the pegs. I don't know if people were just buying it all or what. Okay. Super cool concept for a set. It's Porsche heavy. Again, card backs look like a video game. Super cool. This is the Porsche 914. Little roadster. It's got the Magnus Walker tampos on it. The Magnus Walker 914. Don't know if you can see that. Next car. This was my personal favorite in the case. Seems to be pretty popular. It's got the Advan logos on it. It's the Acura Nsx. Super cool race car. The next car that was in this case, like I said, this is a Porsche heavy case, was the Momo 78 Porsche 935-78. Look at that. Similar car that was in the silhouettes. Super cool red tampos. Red paint with the yellow Momo. The next car that's in the case is yet another Porsche. The Porsche 962 with the Greddy. Super cool tampo on that. The Greddy race car. Greddy on the spoiler. It's the Greddy Porsche 962. And then the last car in the case, the Mazda RX-3. This was another supercar in the case. They got the Yokohama on the side, the M. Jones on the roof. There you go. Race day. We're adding it to the melee on the 4th. You got 15 different sets here. 15 different chances. You better be commenting and subscribing so you can win one. Thank you everybody for joining me. That was a race day.